So check this out. I've made over $100,000 in profit today and over $500,000 in the last 30 days. Check this out so you actually believe me. So I'm out here in beautiful Italy right now, just driving around the streets in these supercars, which is super fun. And I wanted to make this short video to talk about how I'm doing this and how you can do it too. So about 60 days ago, I was watching Gallant Dill's posts on Facebook about how he was making $100,000 profit in a day, $200,000 profit in a day, and it's up to as much as $300,000 profit in a day. And I'm watching his posts and him making all this money, and I'm thinking to myself, like, how can I do exactly what he's doing? Because whatever I'm doing obviously is just not working as good as that. So I reached out to him and I messaged him and I'm like, Gallant, like, how can I learn exactly what you're doing? Can you teach me what you're doing? And he won't teach me until I offer him $100,000 to teach me. And 2 weeks later, I make $50,000 flipping businesses, which is crazy. I've never invested into anything, and 2 weeks later, made $50,000 in profit. So, you know what's so crazy about this is that really anybody can do this system. And I've done the coaching coaches how to coach coaches. You know, I've taken all the courses from all the gurus and mentors teaching how to do that. And it's like, they don't really teach you any actual skills. They just teach you how to make money off of other coaches. And who wants that? People, at least me, I wanted a real skill set and a blueprint to make 100K a day, right? And there's not that many people that are teaching that, but Gallant truly created a 100K a day system. So I reached out to Gallant the other day and I was like, yo, dude, like, we got to teach other people how to do this system. And he's like, dude, I don't really want to teach people how to do this. And on top of that, I don't think people even want to know. So I told him, what if I get enough interest, would you be interested? And he told me maybe. So that's why I'm making this video, is to see if anybody would be interested in learning how to flip businesses just like me and Gallant and do those true 100K a day days. So that's interesting to you and you'd like to learn how to flip businesses, just comment below so I can show Gallant that people really want to learn how to make 100K a day flipping businesses.